All right, y'all. So I tried to record another live video. You guys know the story, bro. Anyways, let's start off with the news. There was news today at 8:30. We had average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. This was all in the morning, and this shit took a lot of liquidity out of the market, as you can see. Um, don't look at this now. But bro, today was very tricky. Took a lot of patience today. But I wasn't even losing my mind for real, bro. Like, that's why I'm so happy I was like just actually able to execute. But let me see, because I was thinking about targeting this level, but I didn't want to be greedy, bro. I just wanted to hurry up and hop out of the trade. But shit. Anyways, though, let's get to it, right? Oh my God, I hate this computer, bro. All right. Anyways, bro, as you guys can see, um, today was very tricky, right? Because as soon as I got on the market, literally everything was swept except London low. So that means London low was my only target, and shorts. I wouldn't say shorts was my only was like my bias on the day, but I was expecting us to come back down. But I was expecting us to make the move back down, but we were getting like so much manipulation, and you guys are gonna see when I break down the charts and I break down the. Two trades I took two trades. The first trade I took was a long because we were like it was so many. You guys are gonna see, bro. Anyways, as you can see, we literally swept everything uh, during pre-market with this shit. Like it swept everything, like everything. It swept Asia low, boom, gone. Then it swept London low. Then it swept Asia high as well. So we literally have nothing here, right? So immediately I just scroll down to the 5 minute because there's nothing else for me to see. Um, then came back down. So I'm looking. We're on the 5 minute, right? We have all these fair value gaps here, but not only do we have these fair value gaps on the 5 minute, we have, bro, we have one fair value gap, let me just mark them out for you guys because I don't know if you guys know what a fair value gap is. We have one right here. We have another one right here, and we have this huge one right here. So initially, right? Initially, around at 9:30, after we inverse this fair value gap, I was thinking short. I was thinking, ooh, should I just enter? Because we already swept everything, and this is a reversal confluence, right? Like after, so I was thinking, should I just enter short? Should I just enter already? But I was like, nah, like I don't want to do that because I don't know if because we have all these fair value gaps here. So what if I enter short? We bounce into this fair value gap, come back up, and stop me out, which is probably what would have happened because if my stop was this high, was all the way up here, bro, and we made it all the way down here, I would have moved to break even. So I would have got stopped out at break even in this trade. But if somebody did take this trade, this is a beautiful trade because like take this trade all the way down to London low. That is a beautiful trade. It would have been stressful as hell to watch, but it would have been a very beautiful trade. And honestly, looking back at it, this should have been the trade that I took. But like I said, in the moment, I was kind of like I won't say I was overthinking, but I was like I said, I'm risking heavy. This would be like a fucking $2,000 stop loss. Take profit would have been very, bro. What is going on, bro? This is why I got to get rid of this computer. Take profit would have been nice, but like that risk, like I said, bro, like I'm risking a lot more now. So I'm trying to be very precise with my entries. I'm not just trying to go all willy nilly. But I'm about to contradict myself because the first trade I took of the day was literally a fucking 1 minute inverse for value gap entry. Literally after I just told you guys that I don't like taking 1 minute entries. Guess what I did today? I took a 1 minute entry because it was the only thing that market was giving me. Because like I said, we had these three fair value gaps on the 5 minute, and we had like two on the 15 minute. I'm finna stop using the mouse. We had like two on the 15 minute. So, and like we like it's like we were like respecting it, then disrespecting it. Like, bro, it was weird, bro. Like today was so tricky if you trade it. And then on top of that, reason price was moving like that in the 5 and the 15 minutes is because we were in this big ass 30 minute and this big ass 1 hour, which we are ultimately inversing, and we're inversing this 4 hour as well. So I was like, all right, bro, fuck it. Um, I'm gonna just try to get ahead of the curve. My model played out in the 1 minute yesterday. Let me just see. Um, Let me just you know what I mean. Let me just see it. Let me just test it out. I'm trying to find it right here. It was literally here. It was literally here. So look, we came down, we swept. we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm pretty sure this is when the new 15-minute candle opened actually. So we were in that 15-minute fair value gap, and this new 15-minute candle opened. So this candle right here, which ended up inversing it, it opened and it shot up respecting it. So I'm thinking, okay, this 1 minute inverse fair value gap is going to be the confirmation I need to enter. So kid you not, literally said, okay, wait to the candle closure. Wait, wrong thing. Said wait to the candle closure. Wait, bro, I clicked short again. Entered on candle closure. Literally got fucked. Like I put stops right here. Literally got fucked in like the first couple of seconds, bro. I didn't even like I only went this far in the profit and then it just shot right back down. So I was like, oh wow, okay. So then I lost like $700. Let's see. I lost like $700. It was down $800 basically because it was like 790 something. So I was like, okay, I gotta like get right, bro. Waited around a little bit more, then boom, what do you know? We start making the move down. So so now when we're making the move down, I'm like, okay, we're for sure bearish because like even like bro, we're obviously not respecting these fair value gaps. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait. You know what I mean? Because right after this is 10. Yeah, at 10 we inverse the 5 minute. We inverse this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, this 5 minute fair value gap literally got inverse. So I was like, okay, I was like, all right, I'm just gonna take an inverse fair value gap. I'm gonna enter short, and I'm just gonna bet that we inverse the rest of these fair value gaps because in this fair value gap getting inverse, these two fair value gaps getting inverse were my confluences. But I just waited to get extra confirmation so I could get a better entry as well because instead of just entering at the bottom. So I said, okay, if we're truly bearish, we should tap into this fair value gap and respect it. What do you know? We tapped into it. I said, okay, I'm not gonna enter right now. I'm just gonna wait for some confirmation, and then boom. I want to say I enter like right here. Enter right here. Stops were right here. No, stops were right here actually at this high, and then we targeted here we targeted here, and then we targeted somewhere else. I'm pretty sure I targeted these relative equal lows to take off some of my debt. Let me see. Yeah, I did. I did. I targeted these relative equal lows on the 30 minute to take off some of my debt that I had lost right here. So first TP was right here, and then last and final TP was at London low. Uh, and yeah, we made $1,700 today. That's how much we made. Could have been more if I didn't do a partial, but I was just trying to clear my debt, bro, so I could secure the third day. We're too far in to start being greedy, bro. Can't be greedy. But this is what the P&L is looking like, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is what some people make. This is like what 5 months of hard work for some people, bro. Like real shit. And we literally did it in 8 days. And bro, the scariest part is, bro, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 more days, bro. There's 12 more days, 12 more trading days left in the month, bro. So and we're already at damn near $10,000 on the month, bro. That's ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. It's getting scary, bro. It's getting scary. It's getting scary, bro. But like, oh my gosh, bro. Like, I used to dream about shit like this, bro, and like I'm actually doing it, bro. It's wild, bro. But yeah, bro. These are the stats for today. Like I said, I took two. Don't mind the other shits, bro. Like the partials count. But I took two trades today. First trade I lost was $800 around there, and then made it all back with the full final trade to London low. The short to make 1,727.90. And now we are just 2 more days away from being pay eligible. So honestly, uh, if I'm being so serious with you guys, let me see. If I'm being like very serious with you guys, I think tomorrow is gonna be like my last like trading day for real, for real. Especially if I have another day like this. I want to try and go for that max allo, but at the same time, the reason I say I think tomorrow's going to be my last trading day is because we have CPI. We literally have CPI at 8:30 on Friday, and I don't know if I like trading. after CPIs, it never really goes well. So I think I'll just get the flip. I think I'll just get a flip day, Asia session Thursday night, and just lock out, call it a day, and request a payout. So it's pretty much like tomorrow. If we get max allo, we get it. If we don't, all well. We were close, but damn, bro. Um, Regardless of whatever happens, bro, like I'm just super blessed to be here, bro. I'm super thankful for everything, bro. Everything God has just been blessing me with, bro. You like this channel, my performance recently when it comes to executing on the charts, bro. Like to how I'm even doing in school, bro. Like just all thanks to God, bro. This would truly not be possible without him, bro. Like I'm not. It doesn't even feel like I'm doing this, bro. I feel like he's doing it. But bro, I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long, bro. Thank you guys for tuning in today and checking out the recap. I'm gonna get a PC soon, bro. Trust me. The setup's gonna be here soon. The setup's gonna be here soon. Just wait. Just wait. We're gonna go back to live trading videos, and then we might be doing like TikTok lives and shit like that. So we'll see, bro. But thank you guys so much for like everything. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a great day. If also make sure if you're new, you subscribe and you like and you comment and you share. And also, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join up in the Discord. Link is in the description. See you guys later, bro.